Hi girls! Today we're going to do a new makeup look, and I think it's one you're all going to like because everybody looks good in it. And the color that we're going to be featuring is mauve, kind of a pink, kind of a plum, a beautiful shade for fall. And so let's get started. Okay, I have a little stick foundation, and this one is from Skinn Cosmetics. So I'm going to touch it on in little strokes. And as you remember last time I used one from Christopher Buckle, this one is a bit heavier in consistency and it has a little more coverage. So this is definitely a full coverage foundation, and you can use a beauty blender if you want to, or a brush, but I don't have one. I always just use my fingers. I'm always lazy. I forget to buy like new products to actually apply my makeup, so I'm stuck with my hands. And they work okay. I think it's, especially with this product, you need something to kind of warm it up. And your hands are warmer than a beauty blender, I guess, unless you use hot water, so they work really well. So that's the foundation. And now we're gonna do the blush. This is volumizing blush from Skinn, and I'll link everything below. And it's in kind of a mauvey pink color. And obviously, if you are more fair-skinned than I am, you're gonna use a more pale shade. And if you have a deeper complexion, you're gonna use more of a burgundy or a wine shade, whatever you like. There we go. Now I'm gonna take, this is just a little lip treatment. This is from Skinn too. It kind of plumps your lips out. And you can't really see the color. It goes on pretty clear. Now I'm going to do concealer. And this is from Skinn too. My main problem area is right in the corner of my eyes, so I always do that part. And sometimes I do the circles and the wrinkles around my eyes, but sometimes I feel like it doesn't really help. It just kind of accentuates them. But I always do this part. There we go. Next, I'm going to line my lips with this lip crayon, and this is in Spanish Rose. Nice dusty rose color. And mauve comes in a lot of different shades. There's a very pale mauve that's almost a purpley pink, and then there's a really deeper, richer mauve that's almost a purpley pink. I'm kind of staying in the middle of the road, but remember, you don't have to do exactly what I'm doing. But I think you'll like the result. And I like this lip crayon because it's not a harsh line around your lips, it's just a very subtle line. And then I'm going to use this gloss called Timeless, and it's a beautiful kind of a shimmery mauve. And I love it. Okay, so see how fast we are? We're doing so well. This is called Candlelight, and this is the original. They do have one that comes in rose, which would be pretty with mauve, but I don't have that, so I'm going to use the original. And I'm just going to go kind of along the tops of my cheeks. And then I'm going to go above my Cupid's bow and below my lower lip, and then a little bit above my brows. And I'm going to come back with this later. But for now, I'm going to move on to my eyes. So I'm going to take the palette that we used last time, and it's the Pumpkin Spice palette from Too Faced. Last time we used this quadrant up here, and this time we're going to use the one down here. And I'm also going to use this kind of pinky shade too, right over here. So, oh, you can't see. There, you can see now. So we'll be using that, and I got the palette on HSN, and it's really nice because it's a very easy palette to use if you're kind of dumb like I am. Well, I'm sure you're not dumb, but I am super dumb sometimes with makeup, and it's hard for me to know what goes with what. This is kind of idiot proof. All four corners are shades that go together. These go together, those go together, those and those. And so you can't really goof it up. And they're really blendable, so it makes it extra easy. Okay, so let's get started. And I'm gonna take kind of a large fluffy brush. You can get any kind of brushes that you want. You don't have to get special brushes. Basically, the brushes that I have are brushes that I got free when I ordered makeup or that I got at the drugstore, so they're fine. Okay, this is kind of a matte ivory shade, and it's called Cream Cloud. So I'm going to put Cream Cloud all over my lids. And apply a nice base to work from top to bottom. And then I'm also going to use it over the concealer just to kind of set it on the inner portion of my eyes. There we go. Okay, now moving on, I'm going to take this color called Sweater Weather right here and take a little, it's a kind of a pearlized rose. I'm going to take that and I'm just kind of going to sweep it across really softly, and you can kind of see the mauve sort of start to appear as I brush it on. I'll take a little more Sweater Weather, brush it on really gently, and then blend it out. Next, I am going to take this pink one right here, and it's called Love and Pumpkins, and it's a matte too. And I'm going to kind of put that in the center. And then over it, I'm going to put Blushing Pumpkins. So it's kind of a golden pink mauve. Do that in the center. Okay, now I am going to get a smaller brush, and I'm going to take Spiced Coffee down here in the bottom, and that's got a little purpley pink in it too. It's a bit of a brown shade, but there's definitely plum in it. And I like to line with that. So you can see I didn't exactly stay all in one quadrant, but everything blends together. I used 3 of colors in one quadrant and 2 from another. And you can see it's not like a really harsh look, it's pretty soft. So you know what, I think I'm gonna go back with Sweater Weather, this kind of mauvey pink, because it doesn't go on super intense, which kind of surprises me, but that's okay. I'm just gonna take a little more from the outside in. Yeah. So this palette is still kind of new to me. Oh, what I was gonna say before is, if you're kind of on the fence, this cost $49 and it came with a Better Than Sex mascara and a lip gloss. And I looked on Sephora, and the Better Than Sex mascara I think is like $24, and the lip gloss that came with it is pumpkin spice. I'm not going to use that because it doesn't have pink in it, but these are run around $20. So say it was like 40 bucks, for $9 you get a really nice palette. So even though it's $49 on HSN right now, it's free shipping. But if you're watching this like a year later or something, don't worry, just go through your makeup drawer, see what you got, try to find some mauve shades and play around with them. Okay, so let's do mascara. There we go, it's so pretty. I love mascara. I love this kind of mascara. I don't always get it, but when I do, I just find that it works really well for me. It's very volumizing and lengthening, and it stays in place. That's my favorite thing. And it's easy to apply. Sometimes I find it kind of globs off the applicator. This is a pretty new tube of mascara, and you can see it's kind of going where I put it, and it's just staying there. So that's a plus. Okay guys, now we're gonna hold our breath, and I'm gonna attempt my lower lashes. I should have done those first, but I forgot. But so far, so good. Don't worry if it gets a little messed up. You can just use a Q-tip, which I'm gonna do in a sec here, because I have a little bit of a smudge. No problem. There. Now, I'm gonna take out my curlers. And my husband and I have been doing some vlogs lately. So I'm gonna put a couple of links below. One was Halloween decorations. The other one was riding scooters along the bay. So if you're interested, those are up and running on YouTube. Used to be, sometimes you guys would ask me if I would do a vlog, and I don't like to edit, so I never could. But now my husband is interested in YouTube, so we do them together, and he does all the editing. I still don't edit mine because I just don't like it. Okay, so I curled my hair also because I know some of you like it better curled. Guess what? My husband doesn't like it curled. So since I'm doing more vlogs with him, it's straight more often. So you'll just have to bear with me. You know how men are, at least mine. Has his own opinions on everything, and I kind of like don't care. It's like whatever. All right, little hairspray. This is from PVC. It's Nick Chavez. If you're interested, I like that kind. And now I'm going to go back to that Candlelight, like I told you. I'm going to take a bigger brush and go all over, just to finish off. Just a little soft luminescence everywhere. And even if you want a little on your collarbones, a little on your shoulders is fun. And you're done. Okay, I'll show you my outfit very quickly. I just have a mauve dress and some nude shoes. And you can put a little scarf with it if you want to. I found one in my drawer that has a lot of mauve in it. And you can also add a little jacket. Whoopsie daisy if it's chilly. I'm trying to rush to get this under 15 minutes because I have trouble uploading stuff on my phone if it's over 15 minutes. There it is. Hope you like it. Thanks, girls. Take care. I love you so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye.